have been doing some development because some people ask me, I want a Windows Media Player for the live TV, for the IPTV, and so on. So I made a Husham Media Player. Now you can put your own URL or whatever. Now I'll be honest with you. I searched for a Windows Media Player. The only one that I found was VLC and a couple of other ones out there that all did. Every single one of them did. So what I'm going to do, make sure. Now, this is the media player I've made APK and I made the Windows, but we're going to focus on the Windows today. We're opening up. So, all right, there you go. So, the current way that it goes in, you log in, you put in your Xtream code or and you can do a search. And that search is actually live. We see, for example, CNN. Actually, let's go to CNN. Go CNN. This is a this is on CNN that live TV. See, I get Canadian CNN. Oh, UK CNN. The idea is stop it. The idea is that you put in your own subscription to it, and it will populate these things. Now, it will work for live TV, series, movies, and of course, it will link up your in theory. Now, like I said, I made this quickly. I think I made last week. And I've made a support section where you can report a bug, request a feature, leave feedback. So let's go to report a bug. I'm going to click run. Report bug, of course, goes into my firm. And there it is. The Husham Player, Windows Media Player. And we'll click on Husham application. These are my own application. Today we're going to just focus on the Windows Media Player. And now the Windows Media Player, you can see here is version control. Let's see what all the versions has or have done. Okay. And of course, you can go to bug reports to report a bug if you want. I'll be honest with you. Right now, I've removed all the bugs because it was on me who's putting it in there. This is brand new on the forum. The previous bugs, if there's any, I've already cured them. From now on, I'm not going to delete them. I delete as is. This bug reporting request. This is where you come in and say, add your request for what you want the player to have. And of course, this is the main one here. This is it. Reading. This is the Husham Media Player 1.31. This one, let's see. It's the one that I'm using right now. The Xiaomi. Okay. Yep, 1.31. That's the current one that I'm using. Okay, which is good. That means that it's also a download link here, and there's a connection here. There's also now there's anything missing, of course. Like I said, this is an IPTV or live TV Windows Media Player. This replaces your dependency on stupid VLC. I'm sorry, I'm saying stupid VLC because I don't like VLC. VLC, you have to put in everything manually. Now, when you install it, now because this is now in the Windows Store, I had no this is on trial. When you install it, this is all you. This is the file. I'm going to open out. So this is download. Okay, there you go. It's one file. There's one file. Once you click on the file, it comes up with this message. All right, so this is very important. I've already made a video about this. If you do get this message, you need to click more info. Like I said, this is still not on the story. So you run anyway. If you want to make sure you're right, you run anyway. I will look into the facts of how you can publish this on the store, and hopefully, eventually, it will be able to run on the store. Well, you click run anyway, and you will come up with this thing. Husham Player setup. Select the additional, click next, next, and finish. I'm sorry because I don't want to remove my one. Now, I've also, if you like the picture quality, I think is much better on this one than any other one. If you like it, if you are enjoying it, and please feel free to go into the support section, and it's support. You can support me if you want to buy Bitcoin. There is also a upload on my YouTube for you guys to subscribe for my request for features and the feedback. Any feedback on forum is small forum. I feel first feed on, but I have my own forum. Maybe it's lots of different things. But yeah, the point is like come down here and do whatever you like. Now, about setting an account login, you can do whatever you like I said, for your account, for your login. Try it out, see if you like it. If there is any errors, put it on the forum. If there is any bugs, put it like if you go into support section, go and request a feature, report a bug, and of course you can give feedback. But I will gladly welcome any bug report, any request report. You know, there may be a chance I might not do it. There may be a chance I will do it. Never know. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to keep an eye on this. There's a couple of other applications that I made. I'm going to keep on doing more stuff. I've done an APK and equivalent to this, but a little better to be honest. But the only reason why I'm doing a YouTube video for the Windows version because I did not see anybody else, or I did not even see a Windows IPTV player anyway. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye guys.